Well, the court heard two cases today about whether a key provision of landmark civil rights law, which prohibits discrimination on the basis of sex, applies to people who are fired because of their sexual orientation or their transgender status. And after 2 hours of arguments, it's not really clear how the court might come out. Court's four liberals seem to indicate that they would support the LGBT employees in two cases. Whereas it's not clear whether any of the conservatives would do so. Justice Neil Gorsuch, among the conservatives, he's President Trump's first Supreme Court nominee. He seemed to suggest that he thought the workers had a good case, reading the text of the civil rights law, which prohibits discrimination because of sex. But, he said, he wondered whether judges should take account of what he termed the massive social upheaval that he said might result if the court were to rule in favor of the LGBT employees. These are the court's first cases on LGBT rights since Justice Anthony Kennedy retired. Kennedy is the author of the 2015 ruling on gay marriage, same-sex marriage, and he's also the author of all the court's major gay rights rulings so far. Kennedy's been replaced by Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who's generally considered more conservative than Kennedy was. Kavanaugh had very little to say today. It would be impossible to read how he might come out in this case. Similarly, Chief Justice John Roberts, although he asked questions mostly of the lawyers for the workers, did not squarely indicate how he might vote.
Can fix that and correct it from this point on.